Hi everyone, I'm Deidi from Ladder Learning, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a keyboard shortcut which allows you to revoke remote control access from your students. So if they're moving things around on your computer and that you don't want, well, given them remote control in Zoom, you can easily take that back. So here's what you do. If you start a Zoom meeting with just yourself in it, like I did here, um, you're going to go ahead and go to this video camera and the little caret up arrow next to it. Click on that, click on video settings, and it should bring up this settings panel here where you can see all your settings for Zoom. And in the side, you're going to go ahead and click keyboard shortcuts. These are keyboard shortcuts that work for various things in Zoom. And if they're enabled, you've got the checkbox here. So you're going to scroll down, down, until you see the one that says begin remote control, revoke, give up remote control permission. So I tried the begin remote control. That one didn't seem to really work, but this one does. So it says revoke or give up remote control permission. I checked this box over here to make sure it's on, and you can edit it in here. So what I did, it was like Alt-Shift R or something crazy. And that's really hard to do because it involves pressing 3 keys at once. But what I did was I changed it by clicking in here. You can edit what the keyboard shortcut is. So I clicked in there and then I hit the F2 key on my keyboard, which it's not letting me do right now. Oh, there we go. Um, So if you hit the F2 key on your keyboard, it should be able to use that. That's the function 2 key. It's at the top above the numbers usually. Um, or you can really make it whatever you want it to be. So for example, I could make it a different, Alt 2 or something. So whatever you want it to be, put that in, press those keys while you've got it in there and it'll put it in there. And then you hit the X. So then when you've given control to your student and they're moving things around, you hit F2, it stops all the remote control. So I hope that's helpful. That's my little tip for you guys today.